Hello everyone, I'm Panka Chen Anson. Today I want to show and elaborate on my final year project progress report. The project title is Image Segmentation Platform. For the whole project objective, I want to reduce the time required and increase the accuracy of the image segmentation. The platform can make the user more convenient no matter where they are or when to use it. For this report, I will show the architecture and the function of the system. Also, I will show what tasks will be complete in the next 2 months. And this is my original planning chart. And as you see, that we are now in November and the architecture design is most likely finished and start the work of the segmentation. Then let's have a briefing about the image segmentation. The image segmentation is like a image processing in computer vision. Segments are a set of the target pixels and it represents a object. The tennis is useful and used in many applications. In this project, we will focus on the medical use. For the segmentation, it is mainly separated in two types, the semantic and the instance. For semantic segmentation, the computer can define same object and using same color to map it. But for the instance segmentation, it can define same object but using different color to show it. Then we can using different method to achieve the segmentation, but working with deep learning, deep learning model can sharply increase the accuracy and efficiency. For the language and library, we will mainly use the Python and PyTorch. Then you will ask how to achieve the segmentation with deep learning. And it is based on the complex algorithms to up and down the sampling. For medical use, since the object is small and meticulous, UNet and PryNet is good at it. But for this project, I will try to use PryNet as our networking model, which is a new approaching. Although the networking diagram is complex, and it can represent in the below form as you see that. The input layer is our medical image. The hidden layer is our activation functions such as reverse attention and the convolution function. In each experiment, it will be go through these three layers in order to label the pixels what we want. After that, in the upcoming trials, it also will start the flow again and get the prediction. The system will self-learning in each of the trial and increase the accuracy per time and calculate the loss. Since I need more time to study the background and the theory of the segmentation, I just worked out some reference code of UNet in order to get more familiar with the system or the syntax. There is not enough information to display my work. Therefore, I replan it and start to design the website interface first. It just showing the interface and some basic function. And let me show the interface to all of you. And as you see that it is the HTML coding, and here you can see that the CSS code will also apply on it, and this is the website interface, and you can see that there have some choice you can choose it. For example, I can choose the objective and it will show the objective, and what is image segmentation, and it will show some information on it, and return to home page, and here is a login function on here and some contact information here, and then we can type a incorrect account first. For example, this is incorrect, and there has a alarms to show it is incorrect account and tell you to try again, and then let's try the correct account here. Then it will show a message about you are logging correctly, and then it will log into our platform, and then you can select the photo which you want to having a segmentation here. For example, you can choose a photo like that. Then you can click on the submit button, and then the website will send the user input to our database, and then to implement the prediction. And in this moment, our website cannot do that because it haven't connect to our database, and the segmentation is not finished in this moment. Then we go back to the PowerPoint first. Then finally, for the coming next 2 months, I expected the image segmentation is complete and keep working on the website function. After that, the website will connect to the database system. And this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention.